Very good morning, student. I am Adesh with my subject accountancy. We were on chapter first, and the topic is financial statement of not-for-profit organization. Till now, we have completed till this topic, subscriptions account or statement. In last class, we learned to prepare the subscriptions account and the statement. And one problem also we were solved as an example. So today one more example we have related to subscriptions account, because in last class there was a simple problem, but what type of problems can come in CBSE board examination. So today we will learn what are the maximum transaction can be recorded in subscriptions account. Okay, so let's see the example and question in which we have to learn many more things today. Student, this is our problem today which we are going to solve and which we are going to learn many more things from this particular problem. So I have written at the top question number 2. Why question number 2? Because in last class one question we were solved and we learned only the simple thing from the subscriptions account. But today's many more transactions are there. We can say there is a maximum transaction can come in board examination. So after learning this question, I think we will not be having any problem related to this particular account. So first we are going to solve this problem. Okay, let's see. Before solving every question of accountancy related to any chapter, means first what we have to think and what we have to read first. इन स्टार्टिंग सबसे पहले हम लोगों को क्वेश्चन का दुखड़ा मीन्स व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ दैट क्वेश्चन, दैट थिंग वी हैव टू रीड आउट. इट इज क्लियर मीन्स व्हाट द थिंग इज आस्किंग इन द क्वेश्चन. The thing is that first we have to read, then what are the informations are given in question related to that problem, then we have to read all those informations. Okay, so first we are reading from there. From the following information, compute the outstanding for the year 2012. Means we have to calculate the outstanding subscriptions amount at which date, for the year ended 2012. Okay, so we have find out the problem. What is the problem of this question? Outstanding subscriptions amount for the year 2012. It is clear. So now we are going and we are reading the questions. Information. What are the informations are there? First point. A club has 70 members, each paying annual subscription of rupees 1000 each. It is clear. We have to be learn this. Means this is not for 70 members. This amount is only for one member. It is clear. This is the amount for one member only, not for 70 members. Second information, subscriptions received during 2012. It means for the complete year 2012, we received subscription rupees 70,000. Okay, next, third point, subscriptions received in advance as at 31st December 2012. 2011. Rupees 12,000. We have to be concentrate on this. It is clear? Each and every word change the solution of every question in accountancy especially. Fourth point, subscriptions received in advance as at 31st December 2012. Here is 2011 and here is 2012. But all the language and the words are same. So only the date is difference. And the amount for 2012 is rupees 11,000. Fifth point, subscriptions outstanding as at 31st December 2011. Outstanding subscription as at 31st December 2011. Amount is 16,000. Last, subscriptions of rupees 8,000 are still in arrears for the year 2011. This is the most information. It is clear? Here, these four words are completely change the question solution. It is clear? They said arrear means outstanding. It is clear? Arrear means outstanding. So what they said? Subscriptions of rupees 8,000 are still in arrears for the year 2011. It means if we are calculating outstanding subscriptions at the end of the year, and the end of the year means 2012. So means this is the outstanding subscriptions only for the year 2011. It is clear? So we have to calculate the outstanding subscriptions at the end for year 2012. Okay? From these information we have to mention or we have to place in this particular format each and every places. It is clear? For every information we related to these information we have to mention at a specific place where we have learned in last class. It is clear? So you can see the format of subscriptions account already I have prepared for this question solution. In this format, first we have to fill this format. This is a debit side and this is a credit side. Subscription account has on 31st December 2012. This is a particular column and then amount of debit side, and this is a particular column and amount column for credit side. So first information what we have received from this: a club has 70 members each paying an annual subscription of rupees 1,000 each. Okay, so it means this amount is transferred to where? This amount is a subscriptions for current year only. So this amount will transfer to income and expenditure account. So what the amount is transferred to income and expenditure account, we will show in the debit side. So here we will show as to income and expenditure account. 70 members and each member will pay rupees 1,000. So total amount 70,000 rupees, which will transfer to income and expenditure account. It is clear, everybody? So how many members are there? Those members will pay subscription for the complete year for the not-for-profit organization. It is clear? We have written this particular information. Second one is subscription received during 2012. rupees 70,000. That means what the subscription we receive, where we have to show? We have to show as a bank or cash, means bank or cash account debit to subscriptions account. So it means subscriptions account will be credited by bank or cash account. What the amount we received? 70,000. So 70,000 amount will be shown credit side. It is clear? Now second information we have filled. Now the third information, subscription received in advance as at 31st December 2011. It means what the date of this? This is a beginning date for the year 2012. So that means if we are receiving in advance in the beginning, so that beginning subscription will be related to current year. It is clear? And if the subscription is related to current year, we have to show in a credit side by advance subscriptions account in the beginning. The amount is in third transaction there is 12,000. It is clear? All of you understand this? Advance subscription in the beginning means that is related to current year. So those subscriptions are related to current year, we have to write in a credit side. It means that is a heading amount for the current year. Next, fourth one is subscriptions received in advance as at 31st December 2012. We are preparing account on 31st December 2012, and on that date they are saying advance subscriptions. Advance subscription means this subscription will be related to next year. Next year means for 2013. So if this subscription is related to 2013, so this will be shown in debit side of subscriptions account. Amount is also we have to be remember 11,000. So what we have to write to here, this is a place for advance, to advance subscriptions account at the end. Amount was 11,000 rupees. Everybody have clear still? Okay, so next one we have complete up to the fourth point. Now next one is fifth point. See, subscriptions outstanding as at 31st December 2011 means this is the subscription which is related to last year. Last year means it is the beginning outstanding, and the beginning outstanding will show where? To. It is clear? It is the beginning outstanding which is related to last year. If this is related to last year, so then we have to show in a debit side. So to outstanding subscriptions account in the beginning. What is the amount? The amount is 16,000 rupees. So 16,000 rupees will show in a debit side. Everybody have clear all the concept? Only one thing is still left. Outstanding subscriptions at the end of the current year. It is clear? So now by outstanding subscription account at the end. At the end, these subscriptions may be related to last year, may be related to current year. It is clear, but we have to check on this particular specific date, on this particular date. Is it clear? That may be related to last year, may be related to 2011, that may be related to current year. So both the outstanding will be shown here. It is clear? So now what the information still we have received? Fifth topic, fifth point we have done. Last one, sixth. Subscriptions of rupees 8,000 are still in arrear for the year 2011. It means this is the outstanding subscription. They use the word still. Still means these informations are given in this question on this particular date. This date we have to be remember. This date means 31st December 2012. So it means in this particular date, if the information is given, so means for the year 2011 is still having arrear subscription of rupees 8,000. Arrear of subscription means outstanding subscriptions, 8,000 rupees. So how we will show in subscriptions account? We will show this is outstanding related to 2011. The amount is 8,000 rupees. And what they asking in this question? They ask question outstanding for the year 2012, means outstanding subscription as at 2012. It means what will be the balance in this side, so that balance will calculate the amount of this one. It is clear? So both the side we have to totaling. So here is 82,000, but if we calculating this side, so 6,017. Now 8,019, 97,000 total, 97,000 total. It is clear? 97,000. If we subtracting 82,000, the totaling of these two terms 82,000, and if you subtracting these two, so the balance will be 15,000 rupees. And if the balance is rupees 15,000 rupees, so what will be the amount here? So both the total will be equal to 15,000. That means we subtract 8,000 from 15, that will be 7,000. So we can say the question asking this problem. So outstanding subscription for the year 2012, the amount is 7,000. It is clear? So especially I will send the particular photograph also for the question and the solution also. It is clear? But you can understand each and every step and concept of this question solution by this video, and you can read especially question and the solution by a particular photograph. It is clear? So if you found any problem related to subscriptions account, so you can ask anytime. Okay, thank you student for this subscriptions account. But next topic for today is cost of material consumed. So we will learn in a next video. Okay, you all maybe learn this particular thing. Okay, thank you for this subscriptions account, and ask queries whatever you face. Okay, thank you student.